Have a little problem with my lower cowl on my GL1800 Goldwing. It's broke up here. When I bought it, it was like this, and they had it taped with electrical tape. I'm going to try to make this repair a little bit better and longer lasting. So I have this kit I got on Amazon. It's supposed to be a plastic repair kit. And it's got a bunch of these different like staple looking things. So we're going to try this out. This is going to be the first part of the repair, is using this, and then I got something else I'm going to do to it to kind of finish it off. You just shove those probes down in the gun like that. And then I'm going to line this up to where it needs to go. And I'm going to turn this on, let that get red hot. I'll let you see it too. You can see it changing color. Now it's getting red. And once that gets red hot, I'm going to put it on there. It's going to burn its way in. You just have to be careful. Don't let it go too deep. Well, I'm going to go for round two. The first round didn't work too good. This is my first time using this, so it's going to be a little bit of trial and error. I'm not real too worried about how it looks. You'll never see it anyway. I just want to make sure it's going to hold. I think I got to let it get just a little bit hotter. It went in a little ways, and it cooled off once it hit that plastic. Didn't go in deep enough. So I'm going to let that get hot. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and trim off the excess. And what I want to do is I'm going to take a soldering iron, and this plastic I'm going to melt. This is going to help with my repair. I'm just going to take the plastic that was originally on it and just kind of melt it in. I'm going to let that cool a minute. Okay, now I'm going to do a little bit of welding on this. I'm just going to add a little bit extra plastic to it. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to turn my gun on. It's going to take a little bit to get hot again. But I'm just going to feed this zip tie into this. And just like we're welding, we're putting extra material in it to give it a little extra strength. Kind of stinks and makes a little bit of smoke. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. You have to do this a little at a time because this is such a small area, it doesn't have a lot of strength. Now see, I don't really have to do the inside, but I might as well go ahead and kind of melt it together, flatten it out a little bit. It'll kind of help hold make the repair hold that better. I'm just going to put just a little bit more of the zip tie in there. I'll let you see the repair. It's got a little bit of glob of plastic in there that's going to help hold that. And that's the inside of it. And it's pretty sturdy. So I think that's going to do well. See, I can hold it from the repair and it doesn't break. So I think we're good. If you're interested in getting a plastic welding gun like this, I'll put a link in the description for the one that I have. It comes with all different kinds of staples to use in different applications. This one here was kind of a difficult repair. I mean, as far as the things you can do, like if you had like a big spot like up in here or something, a big panel, it's a lot easier to repair a crack than it is on this flimsy little piece right here going across, because you know it doesn't have much stability. Once you start melting that plastic down, then the whole thing gets kind of flimsy. But you got to do a little bit at a time, just kind of let it cool down each time, add a little bit more, let it cool down, you know, just kind of like you would if you were metal welding, really. But I think this is going to be a good repair. I'm going to go put it on my bike. I need to clean it up a little bit, but I'll put it on my bike, and that should be everything else that I need to do on the front end of it. So anyway, just a little short video, maybe help you guys out if you have some broken plastic. The zip tie and the soldering gun method, that helps too. And if you don't have the plastic welding gun, the zip tie and the soldering gun does help tremendously for strengthening a crack. So that's all I have for you today. Appreciate you coming along and watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave me a comment. All right, I'll see you on the next one.